Bitcoin hovers around $40,000 as ETF debut continues to be a sell the news event. Crypto exchange OKX's token suffers 50% flash crash amid liquidation cascade. Socket protocol recovers 2/3 of stolen ETH from hack. Bitcoin miner Core Scientific to resume trading on Nasdaq after reorganization. SEC Commissioner says ETH ETF may see approval without going to court. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDM markets traded in a consolidated range as approval by the SEC had very negative short-term repercussions for cryptocurrencies and the sector as a whole. Bitcoin hovered around the $40,000 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 2% at 51,650 points. Bitcoin price has breached the barrier of $39,000 for the first time in the last 2 months. The analysts have observed that the sell the news phenomena has played out as expected. Furthermore, part of the recent selling pressure on Bitcoin has been traced back to sales from the FTX bankruptcy estate, which has dumped some 22 million shares of Grayscale's GBTC in the past few weeks, as CoinDesk reported. However, the issuers of BTC ETF have collectively acquired over 86,000 BTC at an average price of $42,000, an investment worth around $3.63 billion. According to a report from Crypto.com, the number of global crypto owners surged more than 30% in the year 2023, reaching to a user base of around 580 million. However, market participants believe that the key reasons for the increase are attributed to approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds and the Bitcoin Ordinals protocol. Meanwhile, industry experts are debating the possible takeover of Bitcoin investing firm Grayscale, which was recently permitted to convert its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into an ETF. 9 other asset management firms have also won the ability to create their own Bitcoin ETFs. Well, the global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.56 trillion mark, increasing 1.6% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 3.5% to $71 billion. Separately, Solana Sol, a high-performance network, had surpassed $3 billion in daily trading volume, attracting more blockchain developers due to its diverse use cases, analysts believe. Interestingly, with investors moving out of GBTC and parking their funds with newcomers, the urge for Grayscale takeover is quite evident. We will have to wait and follow this interesting development that has potential to shape VDA space. So let's listen in to what Cathie Wood, founder CEO of ARK Invest, has to say about Bitcoin ETFs.
Yes. Well, we're very excited that Bitcoin now is in the ETF wrapper and therefore very accessible at very low prices. What we do have, and there was speculation beforehand, will this be a sell on the news? We said yes, and then we were hearing that so much that we thought, well, maybe not. Well, it turns out that FTX is, I guess it's nearly $1 billion in GBTC, has been sold as this Bitcoin, as the Bitcoin ETF has come out.
In other news, popular cryptocurrency trading platform OKX has announced that it will pay back consumers who were affected by the abrupt flash crash of OKB token, which saw the native token drop from $46.8 to $25.1, or roughly 50% in less than 15 minutes. US stock futures tied to the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 rose after Netflix reported its subscriber count reached a new record in the fourth quarter. Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.34%, while S&P 500 futures gained 0.21%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures traded near the flat line. Bitcoin was trading at $39,980, up by 2.3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.2%, trading at $2,237. while Solana Sol was up 8% and was trading at $86.6. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was up by 3.4% to trade at $0.47. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $30.9, higher by 11%. If we talk about Polygon's Matic token, it was trading up by 3% to trade at $0.73. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 4.1% at $0.080. Shiba Inu was trading up by 4.8%, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.51, up by 1.6%. Polkadot was up by 6.3% to trade at $6.4. However, BNB was down by 0.7% to trade at $293.
Thank you, Vishaka, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. OKX's native exchange token slumped by more than 50% in just 3 minutes on Tuesday following a series of liquidations triggered by an abnormal price fluctuation. OKB has since recovered from a low of $25.17 to $45.64, with 24-hour trading volume rising by 2,100% to $79 million, according to CoinMarketCap. The exchange confirmed that it will compensate users for losses caused by the liquidation cascade, including on-chain trades. Flash crashes are common in crypto markets as thin liquidity is often distributed across multiple venues. OKB has a market cap of $2.8 billion, making it the fourth largest exchange token in circulation, according to CoinGecko. Cross-chain bridge protocol Socket has recovered 2/3 of the funds drained from the protocol in a recent hack. The official X account of the Socket protocol announced that it has successfully recovered 1,032 Ether worth $2.3 million of the $3.3 million stolen. The protocol will soon release a recovery and distribution plan for users. Socket also thanked multiple on-chain analytics accounts for their help in recovering the funds. On January 16, the attacker behind the exploit used a token approval from an Ethereum address sending in 97A5 to carry out the exploit. The exploit impacted the wallets with limitless approvals to Socket contracts. The exploit impacted 219 users with net losses of around $3.3 million. The cross-chain interoperability protocol managed to identify and remove the bug within hours of the exploit, and within 24 hours, the bridge was operational again. Texas-based Bitcoin mining firm Core Scientific has announced its return to Nasdaq, resuming trading on Wednesday as a result of reorganization efforts following its 2022 bankruptcy filing. The company said in a Tuesday statement that its restructuring plan allowed it to cut $400 million in debt by converting equipment lender and convertible note holder debt into equity. Core Scientific said its plan could also further reduce its debt through the conversion of remaining convertible debt, investors' exercise of applicable warrants, as well as the use of available cash to pay down debt. Core Scientific, which operates mining facilities with 724 megawatts of power in 5 US states, plans to increase the total mining capacity by over 50% in the next 4 years as it intends to deploy new Bitcoin miners. In December 2022, the company filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection following crypto price slumps and a series of market failures. Major creditors included BlackRock and investment bank B. Riley. Hopes of an easier road to approval for spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds have risen following a statement from US Securities and Exchange Commission Commissioner Hester Peirce. The commissioner stated that the regulator will take a different approach to spot Ethereum ETF applications. Importantly, she suggested issuers filing for the ETF may see approval without relying on a court decision. Instead, the commissioner suggested that SEC start treating spot crypto ETFs like traditional funds. We need to be applying regular way consideration to these products, the same kind of consideration we apply to similar products, she stated. However, there are concerns that spot Ethereum ETF applications may face similar challenges with regulatory authorities. Peirce's statement, which are sure to stoke excitement among crypto ETF enthusiasts, suggests that an approval for the funds may not be riddled with such issues. Now let's go to Shekha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have XRP. XRP, a cryptocurrency backed by Ripple Labs, has experienced a whale of loading incident, with an unknown wallet transferring over 29 million XRP to a Luxembourg city-based CEX. Despite the token's recent price fall, crypto market analysts remain optimistic about its future, Analyst Ali Martinez suggests a potential rebound due to a buying signal in the trading chart, while XRP Whale predicts a bull run in February as 2024 could be a great year for the Ripple-backed token. XRP was trading at $0.51, down near 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Manta. Manta Network's native token Manta has become the top trending cryptocurrency with a 6% increase in the last 24 hours and a 70% daily trading volume. Since its official airdrop on January 18th, Manta has gained 9.19%. Its listing on major platforms like Binance led to a significant surge in funds deposited on the network, with the total value locked jumping from $891 million to $1.54 billion, occupying 7% of the total market share. Additionally, the average transactions per second on the network surged 75% over the week. Manta was trading at $2.6, up near 7% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin, a dog-themed cryptocurrency, has shown significant dominance in network transactions, surpassing other dog coins like Shiba Inu, Floki, Bone, and meme coins like Pepe and Milady. This dominance is attributed to its high level of activity and adoption, as well as its potential use as a payment system and typical currency. DogeCoin experienced an unexpected 14% increase to $0.097 on January 20th, following the announcement of X Payments account. However, DogeCoin has since retraced from its high, wiping out most of its gains from the weekend's rise. Doge was trading at $0.07, up 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano, a proof-of-stake blockchain network, has outperformed its peers in monthly development activities with 332.9 commits over the past 30 days, according to data from crypto analytics platform Sentiment. Despite the December holidays slowing down, developer activities on Cardano remains the top venue for developer engagement, showcasing its strength as a major Ethereum killer. Kusama Polkadot's Canary network came in third with a total commit of 329.5, the same figures as Polkadot. ADA was trading at $0.07, up near 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Chainlink. Chainlink automation on Base offers developers verifiable, decentralized, and gas-efficient smart contract automation capabilities. This integration enables Base developers to use advanced Chainlink's services like CCIP, data feeds, and automation to create hyper-scalable applications. Chainlink automation incorporates higher computation levels, allowing for more advanced use cases within the decentralized ecosystem. So basically, automation acts as a robust messaging bus, similar to pub or sub messaging buses in traditional Web2 applications. This integration is expected to reduce gas costs by 90%. Link was trading at $14, down 2% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.